Hello everyone, welcome to my home journal. Today, the recipe that I have prepared is khichdi. This is a healthy recipe that can be prepared in a very short time. So let's get started. The ingredients that we need are 1 medium sized onion, 1 small tomato. If you have a big one, take half of that. 3 cloves of garlic, this much of ginger, 3 green chilies, 1.5 cup of basmati rice, half a cup masoor dal. You can also use moong dal instead. For 1 cup of rice, we are taking 2 cups of water. So since we have taken 1.5 cup of rice, I have taken 3 cups of water. We also need turmeric powder, salt, jeera seeds, ghee, and a few coriander leaves for garnishing. Into the cooker, add 2 teaspoons of ghee. Once the ghee gets hot, add jeera seeds, when the jeera seeds splutter, add chopped ginger, garlic and green chilies and saute for a while. Add onion, and once it becomes translucent, add tomato. Saute for a while and add the washed rice along with masoor dal. Now add water. Into this, add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as required. Close the lid and wait for a whistle. Once the cooker depressurizes naturally, open the lid, add coriander leaves for garnishing and transfer it onto a bigger plate so that it cools down.